I get one of my own inside studio. My Pekin, my Pekin behind this one be,
Yes, so
and then me with this Pekin don't team. Don't pass
long
10,
time.
10,
Yes,
10,
so
10, 30 years.
I just the reason I'm at enter the studio. Say,
10 to 30 years, you don't see.
some history.
Yes. I get Korede Bello inside studio with me this morning.
Yeah.
Korede, how you doing?
Very well, Daddy. Yo,
So, what's new? Korede Bello. Wetin dey happen?
things they
This
happen.
not the new song we
Yes.
just dropped now.
This one, I dropped this one 2 months ago,
Okay.
but I just dropped one last week.
Yes.
So they're all new music.
Yes. But that this one, I don't see. I see the video.
The
I see the
video, yeah.
video somewhere.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where the girl sit on top wheelchair and all
Yes.
of that and all of that.
Yeah.
Okay. I see the video. Nice one.
Thank you.
And
sir.
and then but you can't be like say you can't be underground for a long time. What's it gonna happen?
I dey hibernate, you know, say when season come, you go just go hibernate,
Yeah.
recharge, but long story, short story shorter, in your own words. To keep the short story shorter, I did grow,
Yeah.
and the kind growth is not, it's internal growth, it's a
Mm.
personal, individual, spiritual growth.
Yeah.
And so they take the seasons as they come, just to realize what didn't really matter for this life, because I don't see everything. And for me, the most important thing is what I don't realize now: spiritual health, physical health, mental health, financial health, but most importantly, peace of mind really matter. So you just need those moments of like, okay, wait, all this race where we all of us they run, where will they
Where
go?
would they wrong go?
Some people go take this journey when they don't reach like 40, some people take 50, different people's journeys, they're different. You go get one time where we say, you just get that kind pause, say, okay, reflect.
Okay, so this pause, reflect, and then they moving.
recharge.
They moving again.
No, I'm no more. I know they may be.
Because when we they see all the new people them with then they bring out, we don't
Yeah.
say they follow.
Yeah.
So be like all of una that una set, everybody don't come out. Now new set they there now.
Yeah, I know they're moving again, but I still be moving.
Yeah. Because of course,
Yeah.
Don Baba J
Yeah.
influence and all of
Yeah.
that. Okay, but then this new job where you do now, this is Isabella, right?
This is Bella, yes.
This is Bella. And then after that, available or
Available.
available.
Yeah.
Okay, yes. Okay.
Available,
so,
yeah.
Yeah, so now the next one be that. Now the
Yeah,
new one where
now
we
the new
just
one,
dropped be that.
yeah.
Available.
Yeah.
All right. So but you don't shoot the video of available.
Not yet.
Okay. Still
Yeah.
they work on them.
Still working on it.
Maybe you go take me do Vixen now, but you go find me something. You go find me something, make I follow on a dance
They
inside
want
the
to
video.
available, no problem.
Yes, make I follow dance inside. Okay.
Yeah.
But then this new one now, who produced this particular one?
This one was produced by two producers, Smiley and Boss Brain,
Okay,
Yeah.
2 people.
plus me.
Hey, they produce too. You when you write down, waiting me the available where you dey, waiting dey your mind. I know say you know
See, I
spoil.
be artist.
I know say you know spoil.
An artist, when we create works of art, when people engage with the work of art, they get their own selective experience, and your interpretation of the art now for you.
For you.
So-
But waiting be your own.
My own.
Yes,
Leave
your
my
own
own.
interpretation
My
of this song show available. Waiting be your own
Okay,
interpretation.
My own availableness, just say, are you down? Are you good? Let's mingle. Let's connect. Because if you listen to the Bella, I talk about, if you're a fan of me and you've been like from day one.
Yeah.
I always talk about beauty,
Yeah.
beauty. And for me, it be like say God sent me to this planet to make I can remind people of beauty, and that they are beautiful, and everything, life is beautiful. And that's, Bella means beautiful. And for the available, I talk say, yo, you're beautiful, so available. It's just for me to, say, get scourged. We like say we get pandemic of insecurity in the world right now with young women and young girls, who don't feel beautiful. They don't think they're beautiful. There's so many other reasons why other people to compare and feel like, their own body, their own worth, or the way they look is not good enough. And my own little way now, yo, you are beautiful. If you're available, let's connect, It's just a way for me to spread that message of beauty and you're good enough to connect with.
Okay, I don't hear them. As they connect with Korede Bello, now waiting they try to let you know. Connect, show available. Once you're available, connect, man.
Exactly.
That be the most important thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so music so far. Yeah. Music, they pay the bills.
Yes.
Oh, really?
Yeah, music pays bills.
So make those people who never think of music as serious business, make them begin thinking.
See, that's another interesting. See, when it comes to art, you can't go into art because say you want to make music, because most likely you go break your heart. You have to go into. There are people who go, maybe say they are working to enter the music business, but they are not artists. It cannot work because as an artist. Now offering, they be like do offering for church. Now offering no be if you don't involve personal, like say now waiting you want chop you come, it wouldn't work most of the time. So first of all, you have to first have a gift, and you have to first think out for your mind, like this is now I want to do now offering. How can I package this offering? How can I monetize this offering? Which kind of team I feel partner with to make this kind of offering? But if you go say
because of money,
because of the package, you go break your heart.
So those way they go into music because of money.
You go slow, go happen for front. And only people who get the passion, I ain't go continue, go stay inside the way out.
People will get the passion.
Yeah.
Now them go fit continue.
Yeah.
All right, so now they hear them this morning. They talk to Korede Bello, and then on the things them when they work on, and then when they do. After this one now, will they see any collabos? Will they see anything new coming? Waiting they happen?
Yes, by God's grace, Korede. I don't day in my season back again.
Yeah.
So yeah, more music, more collaborations. I don't do some collaborations with my colleagues, my friends for the industry already. So next year, more music from Korede and more things to look out for.
Korede, you sing Isabella. Everybody don't they think okay. At least for once, we don't know. Say na the baby that now you be available. Yes. Why are you confusing people?
No, I'm not confusing.
Why are you confusing people? Only you talk of Isabella. Only you come out. They say you are available.
I don't know how to take explain now. Say. Are they available for Bella?
Can you imagine? I like you.
Say for Arabic,
is need.
For Arabic,
from back.
Exactly, from back.
Okay.
So I did tell the story from back.
Okay, so the next one now, you go be on a wedding. Where una don't marry, una don't born.
Maybe the first time we meet. Maybe I send them DM, that kind of thing, first date. But like I said earlier, it's just the project where they make, it's about. Should I say it here? Mm-hmm. But it's about beauty and bliss.
Yeah.
So
now the title of the album be that?
The project, yes.
Okay, beauty and bliss.
Grace,
yes,
yeah.
Okay.
So nice. A lot of the songs are talking about beauty and talking about just wellness and just joy.
All right, so just wellness, joy, and all.
Yeah.
All right, because I go soon do commercial again. So before the final notes on a Gbasgbos, waiting you they do against Burna Boy. Yeah, where you go to it say waiting be $100 million.
They'll be waiting.
Now Burna you they talk to.
No, I don't follow. So interestingly, right? People think say na Burna they follow talk, but I'm actually not talking to Burna.
Yeah, because Burna tweet say if you never make $100 million, make you not talk to them.
Yeah, no be. So here's what happened. When he talk that thing, people they doubt say if you don't make $100 million this year. So, and I'm thinking like, why you doubting somebody's experience?
Waiting be $100 million. That's what you were saying.
That's what I meant. Yeah, like $100 million is not a lot of money. That's not impossible. Yeah, it's not impossible.
Okay, now what do you mean by that?
Yes, no, that's what I meant. Yeah, but people they decide if I don't know how to follow talk say You know, wait
No,
to be honest. Don't be concern me now.
Because as they come, like say they say,
No. You know, see all these bloggers. That's just small thing. As they just carry my to just sharp, just put Burna Boy picture for their teaching and Burna Boy. But I'm not. So here, there's the analogy that where I'd like to use, say, if you get 100 million naira, for instance, and person ask you for, or person say, you know, the person, another person come make their first million naira. Because oh my God, I've never made 1 million naira in my life. You that have 100 million naira, you know, a million naira is not a lot of money.
Money, yeah.
So it depends on the vintage points where they look from. For I don't care, 100 million is not a lot for
$100 million.
Yes, not for
No.
Bill Gates. I'm saying
For Bill Gates, that's naira.
So it
Okay,
depends on
dollars.
who is saying what.
Okay,
So if a million naira is a lot for you, it's a lot for you.
yeah,
It doesn't have to be a lot for everybody else.
yeah.
So you cannot argue with somebody else's experience. That's what I'm saying. If Burna Boy made $100 million, let his experience be his experience. Why they argue with his experience?
Okay, so now what you mean
That's
by that?
what I meant. Now what I mean by that?
Okay, so make we clear am here now.
Yeah.
Nobody say they shade Burna. Say
No, at all. Big love for Burna. I lie. Big love for Burna. With everybody making big strides and big money. No love, no hate for. In fact, I'm echoing what he said.
yeah,
You know,
yeah.
like why are people doubting his experience? If he has made $100 million, that is his experience. And that's
you
his
don't
state
make
of
$100
mind.
million.
You go if you meet Bill Gates, you go ask and say they don't make $1 billion. It's okay. What is the biggest figure in your mind for money?
No, it's infinity, man.
Infinity.
Yeah,
Then
man.
I'm what's more than infinity?
Nice.
That's who I am at my core. That's my identity.
Nice.
And zero is bigger than infinity. So I am everything and I am nothing. That is worth more than any number.
Okay. All
And my
right.
state
So,
of mind with that.
now this I like your answer. So for point of correction one more
Yes.
time, no be say you dey shade Burna.
At
You
all.
stand with Burna
I stand, yeah.
to talk say the $100 million.
It's
Waiting be
his
100
experience.
million.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's his experience, and that's it. Yeah, it's not a lot of money that's impossible. It's not impossible.
So bloggers where they write, make them be careful.
Yes, so me then, yeah.
But you know,
I
but
beg
you why you not can come out to come clear the air. Say no be waiting. I mean be this.
Oh no, you see when things, boss, you know how this media thing they go. I tweet later, but when they don't go, now that one, see they tear, they carry on they go. So they don't want to hear that second one. But it's good that we're talking about it now. I'm actually, reiterating what he talk. If we talk tomorrow, say, in get like 100 billion naira, say in career and don't make it, people go talk, say waiting, say it's within it in the talk. But that's his experience.
That's his experience.
That's his reality. Why are you arguing with somebody else's reality?
Okay, nice. Thank you so much, Korede, for clearing the air. At
you,
least
boss.
everybody go know that one now. So
Yeah.
apart from that one, wetin Korede Bello they do? I know say you they do things on mental health and then
advocacy, yes.
advocacy. You they fight seriously for that
Yeah.
and all that.
I know they fight for him.
No, you they preach,
I
you they
understand,
talk about him
yes,
and all
exactly,
of that. Yeah.
Exactly. It's just my message is just like if this moment, if you just have a 5 seconds breather to just escape your reality for a bit, that is success. Just say if you breathe, you're there alive, if you see, if you hear, if you go on internet, like these are the joys of life, and those are the things that contribute to your mental health. No amount of money, no amount of success would get you satisfied. Now lie, it's a trap. It will just be more. Boss, how much is enough money?
Oh my brother, no money is enough. Don't worry.
Exactly. No
Because
money
as
is
you they
enough.
achieve one, you they aim
New
for higher.
milestones,
So not
exactly.
normal thing.
People who don't make 100 million, they won't make 200.
200,
They
yes.
won't make
yes.
1 billion. Elon Musk won't make 500 billion. So that's the way life is. So at every moment, just realize that nothing else matters as much as this moment. And just because I am alive, I am grateful. That is mental health. That is mental wellness. That is spiritual, emotional wellness. And that's why we do what we do.
Okay, and then on the final note this morning,
Yes,
because
boss.
I know say I go still to see you.
Yes, sir.
What do you get to tell the people out there?
All right, my people, Korede Bello is back in business, back in section, back in form, and I have new music out. My people, we don't miss me. I miss myself.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You dey miss wella. Oya, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chook Mouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chook Mouth.